Hey everyone! Today we're gonna test another turn signal light product, 7443. The 7443 is a high power turn signal light for front turn, including both amber and white lights. Okay, let's open it. So we can see that the structure of 7743 contains 3 sides. So each side has 3 amber and white lights with additional 2 each at the front end. So it's 22 bulbs in total with 11 amber ones and 11 white ones. 7743 LED lamp adopts the 5730 SMD chip design. So this chip design can be brighter than other SMD chips, since each LED light can reach up to 40 to 52 lumens. So at the front end of the lamp has lens, so there are yellow and white 2 bulbs each below the lens to increase the light gathering power and brightness of lens. So let's do some testing here. So when you switch on, the light turned amber. And then switch on the other one, the white light is on. The amber one can reach up to 280 lumens, and the white one can reach up to 371 lumens. And let's take a look at the details. So the amber color temperature is 3000 K, while the white color is 6000 K. So we can see that 7443 is pretty easy to install. Plug and play, very short responding time, quickly switch on and off, and also shockproof. So even if we shake it heavily like this, the light is still unaffected. Lens installed increases its light gathering ability, with lanes are much brighter. So let's compare the brightness of the light with or without lens. So we can see that right here, the one with lanes are much brighter. Now let's talk about some common malfunctions. So sometimes you will find that lighting is a little bit too dark. So this is because of insufficient or unstable current. So in this case, we can decode with the resistor. Or sometimes you will find the switch flashes and alarming. So this is because there is no decoder. So we can also decode with a resistor to solve this issue. Or sometimes you will find the light is not working properly. Then you can remove the LED lights and then adjust the LED pin feed to make it tilt a little bit. Like this. Then put it back to the base. If it's still not working, you can test it with 12 volt power or change the base. Now I'm gonna teach you how to install resistors. So we got a base, a decoding resistor, and 2 connecting chips. First of all, let's take a look at the base. So there are 3 wires on the base, 1 black, 1 red, and 1 yellow. So the black one is negative. Red and yellow ones are positive. One of them is turn signal line and the other one is tail light parking light. So let's test it out to see which is which. First of all, we connect black line and yellow line. So we can see the yellow light is on, which means that the yellow line is turn signal line. Then we connect black line and red line. So you can see that the white light is on, which means red line is tail light parking light. So we need a resistor to parallel with the negative and the turn signal light, which are black and yellow lines. So then we can connect the wires to the chip like this. Then use pliers to pinch the metal sheet above. So we can see the metal sheet within the insulation sheet, and then the two connected wires to ensure the cable has been pressed. So put on the clip. And then we will do the same thing to connect the other side. So that's it. It's just that simple. So this is our testing video for this product. If you like it or want to learn more about the installation instruction videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Press here. So more new videos are coming soon. Thank you very much.